Hello and welcome to this presentation from Pluralsight. My name is Andrew Mallett and we're going to look now at configuring DNS security. So as we take a look through this, we're going to look first of all at using simple access control lists. We've already seen this in some way where we've seen the allow query directive. So we'll now look at securing our zone transfers. One of the issues that we're going to see when we're using just simple ACLs is that we don't include any mechanism for authentication or message integrity. So we can start looking at using keys to generate that authentication and message authentication. We're going to then move on to signing complete zones so that clients or servers that are able to authenticate the integrity of the message will be able to see that their DNS response or DNS answer hasn't been tampered with. To begin with, we'll just look at simple ACLs. We could, on the master, consider an access control list similar to this. Allow transfer, and then saying 10.0.2.15. That's the only slave server that we have. On our slave server, the CentOS box, we might adding allow transfer none, because nobody should be transferring from that. Yet the transfer is going to happen from the master to the slave, not the slave to the master or the slave to anywhere else. But say this is simple and it's going to allow a level of security, but we're not authenticating the slave server to the master, and the slave server has to just guess that the information he's getting back hasn't been tampered with. All the same, it's a valid method. So let's go through and first of all set up this simple access control list.